Welcome to this series of videos on how to use DashConn. In today's introductory video, we will walk through installing the DashConn Add-On and then look at configuring our first dashboard using a DashConn component. DashConn is an add-on for SAP's Dashboard Design product. This product goes by a few different names depending on the specific version being used, including Excelsius 2008, SAP Crystal Dashboard Design, and SAP Business Objects Dashboards 4.0. We will use these terms interchangeably. Within Excelsius there are 5 main panels. The Components panel displays all the components available to construct a dashboard. There are many types of charts, selectors, and maps included with the product. Our first step is to install the DashConn add-on so that it appears in this component list. To do this, we go to the main menu and select File, Manage Add-ons. This brings up a dialog which shows any existing add-ons we have already installed. We click the Install Add-on button and browse to the DashConn add-on file, DashConn.xlx. We will then be prompted to restart the program. After Excelsius restarts, we can see that the DashConn Viewer add-on is now available in our components list. Also, we find that a non-visual DashConn data connection is available under the Data Manager panel. Now it's time to build our first dashboard. We select the DashConn DataViewer component and drag this onto the Design Time canvas. The rightmost panel now updates to show the DashConn Properties panel, where we can quickly and easily configure the runtime behavior of the data viewer. Here we'll choose an existing Salesforce CRM report to use as a definition for the data to include in the dashboard. First, we specify how we connect to Salesforce CRM. The first URL is used at runtime to connect directly to Salesforce CRM and retrieve data. In this example, we use the default URL starting with www.salesforce.com. If you are working with a sandbox in Salesforce CRM, you would change this value to test.salesforce.com. The second URL is used at design time only to retrieve the list of reports and report definitions. On the next tab, we choose the report. We are first prompted to log in to Salesforce CRM using our username, password, and security token. Here we are using an account with privileges to retrieve Salesforce metadata. If your account does not have these privileges, an administrator can configure a proxy account. Please see the related DashConn video for how to do this. We now browse to and select the Accounts with Opportunities report in the Demos folder, a report designed to look at each account's expected revenue and the associated revenue for each account opportunity. The DashConn proxy service then communicates with Salesforce CRM, and the definition for our report is retrieved. At this point, we have provided the minimum information to configure the component, so we can now go ahead and test out the dashboard by clicking the Preview button. We are now running the dashboard as an end user, so we are again prompted to log in. Note that our login credentials are already filled in since we chose to save these earlier. Within the data viewer, we now can aggregate data based on the groupings defined in the report and drill from our accounts into their opportunities. In this lesson, we've seen how to install DashConn and how to quickly create a running dashboard by dragging the DashConn DataViewer onto the design canvas and configuring its properties in the Properties panel. With our dashboard now working, we will now save our dashboard project file so that we can continue developing this example in the next lesson.